Herida Healthcare have designed and manufactured the Lothian 2. It's been designed to ensure that ease of use with a high level of clinical delivery is achieved in a single product. It's specifically designed for long-term care environments or at home in residential settings. The Herida Lothian 2 provides a high-risk solution when used as part of a complete care package. The product is designed to prevent and treat pressure ulcers up to and including grade 4. The mattress dimensions are 200 cm long by 88 cm wide by 16 cm deep and are suitable for most hospital and home care beds. Other sizes are also available on request. The Lothian 2 is constructed of a layer of cells. The top 3 cells are static cells and stay fully inflated at all times. The remaining 15 cells alternate in an 11.5 minute cycle. This means that every other cell will deflate for 5 minutes, providing pressure relief. The cells will then initialise for 90 seconds before the second set of every other cell starts to deflate for 5 minutes. It's important to ensure that the securing straps are attached to the moving parts of the bed frame. For example, the knee brake and the backrest. Never secure the straps to the outer edges of the bed frame, as this will damage the mattress and the bed. Upon installation, the engineer will turn the system on, leaving it to inflate by connecting it to the power switch. Normally, the engineer will use a rapid inflator, bringing the cells up to full capacity in seconds. The Herida Lothian 2 operates with a digital pump. Switch the pump on at the power socket and press the power button on the control panel. To set the pump to operate with the patient's weight, we need to first unlock the pump. To do this, hold down the lock/unlock button for 3 seconds. The pump will sound a short beep and the blue LED light will go off once the pump is unlocked. If the patient exceeds the set weight, the pressure needs to be increased by pressing the firm button. Pressing this button once will increase the pressure in increments of 5 kilograms. To reduce the pressure, press the soft button. Again, this will reduce in increments of 5 kilograms. The pump is designed to offer ultra-low pressure delivery for lightweight, frail individuals, including paediatric patients. Pressing the static button on the pump's control panel will stop the alternation cycle and both sets of cells will remain fully inflated. When the static button is actioned, you will see the top LED light and the pressure monitor light illuminated. Static mode allows clinical procedures, site transfers or any other procedure to occur. Simply press the static mode button again once the panel is unlocked to switch off the static mode. If the static mode has been selected, as a safety function, the system will revert back to the alternating cycle after 25 minutes. The patient currently using the Lothian 2 is in the supine position. You can also see that every other cell is deflated. As I place my hand between the body and deflated cells, we can feel and see that there is sufficient clearance, providing the patient with relief. The rapid cell deflation system is unique, as pressure relief happens much quicker than on a standard dynamic system, offering immediate relief. The Herida Lothian 2 has a foam insert on the underside of the cells, which prevents any bottoming onto the bed frame. The foam consists of combustion-modified ether or CME technology. When the patient is sat upright for extensive periods, please ensure that sufficient pressure is in the cells underneath the sacral area. If insufficient pressure is evident, then the pressure may need to be increased. A simple check can be conducted by placing the hand underneath the sacral area in the region of the deflated cell. If CPR needs to be administered, the red tag labelled CPR is located behind the third cell. A swift pull is required to achieve deflation. The system will deflate rapidly in a matter of seconds. CPR can then commence, as the patient will be supported by the foam underlay. The Herida Lothian 2 comes with a troubleshooting guide on the front panel of the pump, indicating what to do in the event of any problems, whether that be a power cut or an alarm function or inappropriate cell operation. If the system has a power cut or power is removed from the system, an alarm will sound to indicate that there is a problem. If the pump has a kettle lead, it could simply be that the cable has become detached. In all cases, the first check should be that the power is connected and is also switched on. If the system is depressed as low as 6 mm of mercury for a period of 6 minutes, the alarm will sound. If during the course of all troubleshooting effects you still can't identify the problem, it is important to ensure that the CPR tag is fully hung and connected. It's also important to ensure the tubing on the cells is not kinked. The tubing is located on the side of the mattress where it delivers air to the cells. The tubes will be secured to the mattress by small cable ties to ensure that they do not detach. There is also a small spring at the head of the mattress where the tubing folds back on itself. This spring ensures that the tubing doesn't kink. Regular cleaning of the mattress is required, and we provide cleaning instructions in the user manuals. Copies can also be supplied on request. Maintenance and repair work should only be carried out by an appointed engineer who has been trained by Herida Healthcare. Only original manufacturer parts should be used in any repairs, as failure could affect the warranty. In all instances with any pressure relieving products, always ensure that you seek clinical guidance and use the product in accordance with manufacturer instructions. Thanks for watching. For further information, please feel free to contact ourselves directly.